Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, we will talk about how to install Oracle 11g Express Edition in Windows. For the same, visit the link that is bit.ly/REGex Oracle for downloading the software. So right now the 11g Express Edition is not supported by Oracle and you will not find out in the website. So copy the link from the video description and visit the link in the browser and download the file. And click on the download button, and we are going to wait until the file gets downloaded in our download section. So after successfully downloading the file, we will go to our PC and in the download section we are going to extract the file. So for extracting, I am going to use the 7-zip tool, which is quite handy, or you can use the WinRAR for the same. After successful extraction, now run the setup file and give the yes permission to start the installation. So here it will start the extraction process and may take up to 4 to 5 minutes for the same. After extracting the setup file, now click on the next button, which you will find out at the bottom, and after that accept the license agreement. Now on the next step you will find out the location where you need to install the Oracle 11g. So by default the installation can be done inside your C drive, or you may change the location by clicking on the browse button and selecting the path. Now click on the next and give a password which is required to log in inside your database, and remember this password for login every time inside your database again. And now click on install. Now the installation steps will be done and we have completely installed the Oracle 11g in our system within 5 minutes. So we will check whether the installation is successful or not by validating the installation. We are going to get inside the start menu, and inside that we are going to search for a folder that is called Oracle 11g. So here I am going inside that and we will click on the run SQL command line. So first of all, here we will write down con to set the connection as a system administrator. In the username we are going to write down sys as sysdba and put a enter and provide the password which you have given while installing the Oracle 11g. So make sure in the last you got a message as connected, and here we have successfully installed the Oracle 11g. So in the next video tutorial, we will discuss how to unlock the HR user account, which is a dummy database in Oracle, and how to make a connection with SQL developer. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates in the future. Thank you.